Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NXTD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. A pretty rough day for this one, but there is a lot of it depends that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or right there, or right there, and you were hoping to sell within 12 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then the bulls still have an opportunity, believe it or not, to build a higher base and therefore continue to build upon and build a long-term uptrend. Now, whether or not that happens remains to be seen, especially because there was a lot of downwards momentum after today. There's no denying that. But it's really just better to kind of illustrate it. So let's say that the price actually does indeed bottom out here or here, because these are both considered levels of support. So best case would obviously be that the price can just stay up here above 305. But even if 305 doesn't hold as support, the must hold level will be 290. Why is 290 must hold, and why does 290 still kind of quote unquote keep the bulls in play? Well, let's just pretend the price does pull back there, bounces around, and then heads back up. Now remember, this is from the big picture perspective. This assumes that you care about the long-term perspective of things and aren't a day trader that bought and wanted to sell within 7 seconds. So from that perspective, let's say that the price pulled off that sort of price action where it came down here, went sideways, and then bounced. At that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right there. Where would the previous set of lows be? The previous set of lows would be right here. So if you picture each of these as stair steps, the stair steps would still technically be going in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do over time. That's how long-term uptrends are built. Got to put in those higher lows. But as it stands right now, are the bulls going to build overall stair steps? Looking kind of shaky given just the nasty day that today was, but the bulls are innocent until proven guilty, and right now they're maintaining. They went sideways up here at a higher section of the chart, so we'll see if they can build that higher staircase or not. As far as resistance levels, I'm not really going to touch on that because as it stands right now, breaking levels of resistance not really a top priority. Top priority is getting the price stabilized and building a higher base, so we'll see if the bulls can do that or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.